And now, on to our next honoree, who is a house, a legacy, an industry by itself. They managed to be ahead of their time and to introduce sophisticated luxury to the art of watchmaking. They're not just any brand. They are the EMIGALA 2021 Watchmaker Brand of the Year. I'd like to welcome on stage Mrs. Laila Abdallah and Mr. Ahmad Sabra.
اسم بارز في عالم صناعة الساعات السويسرية، جمع بين الفخامة والعراقة لعدة عقود وللأجيال المتتالية.
The EMIGALA award goes to Roger Dubuis.
Good evening, everyone. It's a real honor. Thank you to the EMIGALA, and thank you to all the organization of this event. It's such an honor. And on behalf of Roger Dubuis, today our watchmakers in Geneva, representing the craftsmanship of centuries of watchmaking, I'm here representing them, and I would like to say a big thank you again. I said it, it's twice. But it's a very emotional moment to be present among such talented people today of the region. And yeah, I wish you all a very good evening, and see you soon. Bye-bye.
Congratulations to the EMIGALA 2021 Watchmaker Brand of the Year, Roger Dubuis.